We fly above a highway and swoop down into an apartment complex, equal housing opportunity and access symbols. We pass through a bright lounge, then through a hall with sideboards and into a relaxing meeting space with a large table. We go into a space with office chairs, a computer, and a printer. We go outside to the pool area, which has a rectangular swimming pool and a semicircular spa. Several lounge chairs and garden umbrellas surround the pool. There is also a covered patio with barbecue grills and patio tables and chairs. A few steps lead up to the semicircular spa, which has 4 lounge chairs near it. We next go inside the gym, which has several exercise equipment, such as treadmills, strength machines, and sets of dumbbells. The treadmills face a wall of large windows, through which the pool area is visible. We next go into a furnished apartment. The living room has a large sunlit window with vertical blinds. The dining area is beside the living room, and sliding doors near the dining table open to a patio. The furnished kitchen has a breakfast counter with a double sink. A washer and dryer are in the laundry area. The bedroom has sliding doors that open to a patio. It has a walk-in closet with hanging racks. The bathroom has a long vanity and a large mirror. We go to a patio, which has 2 outdoor armchairs and a side table. We go back to the pool area, which has some pergolas. Then we visit a fenced grass dog run. We fly above the rectangular swimming pool, then above the arched entrance to a building next to the pool, then above apartments. Logo, Mountainside Apartments.